What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. The car is back up and running. As you guys know, I pulled it down and then added a little flavor to it. Put some black to the lower bumper and running some smaller slicks. Trying out something new. So gonna be doing some pulls with the GNS and kind of cut down the intake that goes on into the motor for the fan. And gonna be doing some pulls right now. Like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And just go and enjoy some pulls and stay tuned. Video. The car is on a very soft tune, guys. Okay, so 37 miles and you can see the time. So as I say, it's on a very soft tune because these sticks that I'm running now are the regular touring car tires, so they're ballooning to some extent, but it's basically way lower than even what the stock setting comes with. But gonna see what we can do with this power and then dial it in further on. So let's do another pull. I'm not sure if the reading is going to be accurate because the GNS did come out of the car, so it's just literally sitting in the battery tray. So let's see. Yeah, so I don't think it'll be reading properly. That's my error, guys. I should have really secured it properly. But let's make one more pull and then let's see. I have to cool it down anyways. Granted that it's currently -1 right now. What's good, everybody? Welcome back. Just doing a follow-up video from the post that I was making earlier this evening, and just wanted to clarify something that for the rest of the season going forward, we're going through winter right now. I will be pausing the pulls on this build, as I think the car is currently at a good stage and I don't really want to you could say overwork it and then not really get to really make the best of it when summer comes back in. But I think it's at a good level right now where I can actually go ahead and pause it for a little bit. Not really pause, I should even really say. It's more of put it back more in like street mode because it will be driving for sure. But the pulls that I made earlier on, the car was spinning. But I got the most, I think 38 miles per hour out of it. And it is really, again, for those who are not familiar with this setup, it is a really simple setup. And I just got it back together. I pulled it down, service up a few things, and I have another little secret to share. From I really done it. It has given me extra 2 miles per hour, if not probably 1, but it has made a little bit of a difference. And stay tuned for that. But as for like really full-on drag pulls, I'll be really pausing that, and just be doing some little street pulls and ripping the car around. But subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned. There'll be much more interesting content coming on this channel. Yeah.